0 to 0 equals trouble or serious problems will strike unexpectedly. 0 to 1 equals personal happiness and contentment is threatened by an enemy. 0 to 2 equals financial difficulty and poverty. 0 to 3 equals greed or love of money will cause great difficulty. 0 to 4 equals financial difficulty imminent. 0 to 5 equals a union or marriage will turn out unhappily. 0 to 6 equals great embarrassment or scandal looms. 1 to 0 equals a journey of great personal significance beckons. 1 to 1 equals a reunion with someone you have not seen in years. 1 to 2 equals a visit from, or a journey with, an old friend. 1 to 3 equals a business trip will turn out successfully. 1 to 4 equals debts loom, leading to trouble, or possibly a childless marriage. 1 to 5 equals a love affair or proposal will take you on an emotional journey. 1 to 6 equals 2 marriages with the second being happier. 2 to 0 equals a loved one will have great impact on your life. 2 to 1 equals someone close will give you good news. 2 to 2 equals a personal wish will come true. 2 to 3 equals an outstanding debt will be honored. 2 to 4 equals loss of something personally or monetarily valuable due to theft. 2 to 5 equals failure in an attempt at betterment in promotion. 2 to 6 equals good fortune in career, business, or a personal financial deal. 3 to 0 equals dramatic change in romance and love life. 3 to 1 equals romance found either from someone visiting or on a trip or holiday. 3 to 2 equals a lover will arrive or leave but will be very close to your social circle. 3 to 3 equals significant wealth or an item of great value will arrive. 3 to 4 equals a happy affair, marriage, or love union. 3 to 5 equals a visit by someone who may have significant influence on your life. 3 to 6 equals you will receive a gift signifying love. 4 to 0 equals personal reward beckons. 4 to 1 equals material or financial gain related to a trip or journey. 4 to 2 equals wealth gained through a loved one or close friend, possibly an inheritance. 4 to 3 equals a prosperous union. 4 to 4 equals an invitation to a prosperous and happy event. 4 to 5 equals good fortune awaits in the near future. 4 to 6 equals an early and fruitful marriage or union providing many children. 5 to 0 equals significant change in a vocational direction. 5 to 1 equals a chance for passionate romance, possibly through work. 5 to 2 equals a change in job, position, or wage for either you, a relative or someone close. 5 to 3 equals a sign of an imminent strong influence on your career or work life from someone you love or a person intimately close. 5 to 4 equals a pay rise or career move for the better. 5 to 5 equals a change of fortune, possibly a new home. 5 to 6 equals a change of employment or a good day with someone close. 6 to 0 equals personal good or bad fortune may strike from close to home. 6 to 1 equals a journey or holiday, possibly leading to lasting emotional or personal happiness. 6 to 2 equals an endeavor by a relative or good friend will pay off and reflect well on you. 6 to 3 equals luck in love, but it could be problematic and difficult. 6 to 4 equals unexpected change in your prosperity, status, or general fortune. 6 to 5 equals success at work, in career, vocation, or possibly education. 6 to 6 equals a very happy and fortunate future.